Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about Byju's. As I have uploaded many videos related to Byju's, I have made a whole playlist that how can you prepare for the interview, what are the things, what are the questions are coming. But I will tell you one thing that I have also pinned the link of that whole playlist in the description. Also, you can check the playlist from the description. And today we are going to talk about, as it has been 3 months older, the videos have been 3 months older, so there are some slight updates and some process has also been changed. Slight changes are there, so we are going to talk about all the changes that has came and about the preparation strategy, what are the preparations you can do and how can you prepare for this interview round, and what are the rounds basically that are having. I will clear everything that you are having questions about in this particular video. So let's start with the video, and if you want to see the previous videos, you can get the previous videos of Byju's, as I have uploaded many videos. You can get the link from the description on, as whole playlist link is in the description. Let's start with the video. So in this video, we are going to talk about the basic eligibility, as many of you are facing confusions that if I am eligible, I am this, I am eligible, I am graduate, or I am 12th pass, am I eligible? So they are asking many questions from me on Instagram also. So I have thought that I will include everything in this particular video. What are the eligibility, what are the changes that has came, how can you prepare, and what are the rounds, basic rounds, what are the basic rounds that are there in this interview. So talking about the first thing, that is the eligibility criteria. The basic eligibility criteria is first one, that any graduate or postgraduate can apply. Suppose you are a graduate, you have done your graduation, then you can apply for the job. Very basic eligibility. If you are from BCom, if you are from BBA, if you are from BTech or anything, you are a graduate, you can apply. You have completed your graduation, you can apply. Second thing is, if you are 2020 pass out or later pass outs, that then you are eligible. That is, suppose you are pass out, suppose you have been passed out in 2020 or you in 2019 or 2018, that is before 2020 and later. That means, that is the meaning of the basic line. So you are eligible if you are in this, on this particular date when I am shooting this video. If you are from 2021 batch, then you are not eligible. You have to wait for one semester. In the next semester, in the 8th semester, you can apply for this. Okay. The next one is that freshers can apply. Suppose you have been passed out, just passed out. You are you have passed out from your graduation. That is your graduation or post graduation or MBA, anything. And you are in your you are a fresher, then you can apply for this job. The last step, that there is no certain percentage criteria, that there is no criteria that 60% necessary, 50% necessary. There are no certain criteria. And one more thing I would like to add, that there are no backlog criteria. That is, that suppose you are 2020 pass out and you are having some active backlogs, that is 1 2 3, any backlog, any number of backlogs, then also you can apply for this job. This is the basic thing. And if you want to see that what is the basic work you have to do, as I have made the full playlist, this video is also included in that playlist. You can get the link of that playlist from the description only. I have pinned the link of that videos, all the playlists in the description. The second thing is, what are the changes that has came. So talking about all the changes, as I have got many feedbacks from the candidates who are facing the interviews, and what are the changes, what are the things they are facing. So I will talk everything in this video. So the first thing is that short duration between the interviews. That is, suppose when I have given the interview, when I had given the interview, that was about 3 months ago or 4 months ago. Then at that time, that was I got 7 days gap in different interviews. Suppose I had my telephonic round, then 3 days gap was there. Then after the first round Zoom call, then 7 days gap was there. This was the basic duration of the interview, like 7 days gap was there. But in this current scenario, that suppose you are in your today's, suppose today you had your telephonic round. Suppose for a instant that you had your telephonic round. So after the telephonic round, you can you had your telephonic round on the first day, then you can have the first round of your Zoom call on the next day also, and the final round on the next day. So the whole process of the interview will be completed in all the 3 days. It can also happen, and it can also be there that they can take a month also. That is the process, because they are following many process. That is the basic diversity of their process. The second thing is that results takes time. Like that, matlab ki result आने में you get results in longer time. Like if you have given your interview, your final round has been given, then you can take about 7 to 10 days also to get your results, and it can be longer also depending on their process because they delay a lot. That is the simple thing. I have always told everyone whoever has asked me that I have given my interview and it has been like 10 days or 12 days. So I always tell them that it's normal. They delay a lot the process that is happening. So the third thing is that jumpstart program frequently happened. That is many candidates got hired, and many candidates got hired, and I have got many feedbacks that when I was there, that was the first time the jumpstart program came. That was the first time. I also made a video on that. I've also made the video on that jumpstart program, and now it is happening frequently. Like it can happen with you also, and it can happen like you can have only 3 rounds also, and you can have 4 rounds also. That depends on the whole process that what they are following. Fourth thing is that sometimes they skip telephonic round. This is also happening these days, that suppose like there are 3 rounds. Then there can be also scenario that you don't face a telephonic round, that directly the first video call Zoom round can also happen. This is also a process, so I'm telling you in advance. And the last thing is that random situation questions, that is random scenario questions are very much asked. I will tell you one scenario that I have listened many candidates that they are asking me that you are living in Ladakh. Okay, you are living in Ladakh and your relative is also living in, relative not, a person is also, a neighbor is living in Ladakh, and you have to sell AC to him. As the weather is very pleasant there is no need of AC, so you have to sell that, and it has no heating option, like it has no blower option in that AC, so you have to sell that AC. That is the basic. I will tell you about the main concept of these questions, that sell a comb to a bald man. So I will tell you one thing, that एक टकले को कंघी बेचना, मतलब ये सब चीजें कैसे कर सकते हैं हम. That is the basic thing that I will tell you, that these questions are only asked to check your never give up attitude. Never give up attitude is something that is required in sales, and you like these kind of questions or cross questions can be asked very much. Cross questions can be asked, so it is very important for you to face these questions. Like if they ask this question, you have to tell something, and in the next moment, in the next instance only, they will give a cross question. Then also you will tell something, then they will give a cross question. So you have to tackle every cross question very smartly, and they are checking your never give up attitude. So you have to be very you have to answer everything. You have to note, you have to only speak, keep speaking. Whenever they are asking a question, keep speaking. So talking about how to prepare for this job, like how to prepare for this interview, what are the changes came, so where we will get the updated things. I will tell you about Able Jobs. This is the Able Jobs, in which you can prepare for the interviews for free. It is available for free for you, for everyone. You can install this app. I have given the link of this app in the description. You can just click on that link and install this app. As you can see that this has the many, like you can just click on Byju's and it will give you full course. You can it is also for free, so you can use this application. So as we have talked about the preparation parts, now talking about the rounds, what are the different rounds are there. First one is the basic round, is that is telephonic round. Second one is the Zoom call round, first Zoom call round. Second and the third one is this is the majorly it is the third and the last round, that is final video call. It is also happened, it will also happen on the Zoom call. Okay, and the last one, if like it is not happening for everyone, but nowadays it oftenly happens, that is the Jumpstart program. I have also uploaded a video on it, and you can also see that video, and you can also check the Able Jobs for all the covering. It will cover all the three or four, like it will cover all the 4 interviews, all the 4 questions, all questions will be covered, and you will definitely get through this job. As in this video, we have talked about everything. What is the new process, what changes has came, how can you prepare, what are the things you can do, what are the different things has happened, and how can you prepare for that. I have told everything in this video. You can download Able Jobs, and there is also an option that suppose you want to appear, suppose like if you are ready for the interview and there is one uncertainty that you want to appear for a mock interview, like it will happen, and there are some charges for the video call round, that is for your mock interview. A mock interview will be held by Able Jobs, and they will that whole pattern of that mock interview will be same as you will face in your Byju's interview. So you can opt that, but if you want to just appear for the interview, and you can prepare for the interview for free. So that's all for today's video. We have talked about everything. What are the changes? How can you prepare? I've talked about everything, and I will tell you about one thing, that you can also follow me on Instagram, as I am going live there also and answering everyone's question. So as it is not possible for me on the DMs to answer everyone's question and reply to everyone's comment, but I try my best to reply everyone's comment. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down. And I will tell you one more thing, that is you can follow me on like Instagram and Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, because I have uploaded many materials are there in that channel. So you can access that channel at the rate BeAProgrammer24. The same link that is for the same username for the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and like Telegram. You can join my Telegram. I have uploaded many materials there. Direct link is there, so you can access everything. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video with some more informative topic. Thank you so much.